Hey, what's up, you people? It's me again, Roger, and by the title of the video, you must have guessed it's another unbox. This time, one that makes me really happy. Again, it's Samsung Galaxy A30s. Oh yeah, it's been a long time since I had a Samsung cell phone. I actually had a Samsung Galaxy S4 and back in 2014-15, and it broke in 2014, so it's been over 4 years since I had one. And in the meantime, I had a Motorola Moto G5S, which at the beginning was pretty good, but I didn't expect it to be good for a long time. So now I am back with a Samsung, and here I am for the unbox. Let me cut the stamps here. Do you need to see it? I don't know. I don't think so. So let's do it carefully, because I do not want to damage the box. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, by the way, before I show it, I have another one I want to show you. This is the box of Samsung Galaxy S4, my former cell phone. Maybe my favorite ever, maybe the second, because after my Samsung Galaxy S4 broke, I bought actually it's complicated, but I got a Sony Xperia Z3 Compact. It was so awesome, but but I broke it within a year, but that was my fault. It was so great. It was kind of like a gift from Sony, but that I might explain in another video. So let's get this bad boy. As you can see, it's pretty big by the box. It's 6.4 inches, if I'm right. You can see the logo, Samsung. By the way, the logo too. Samsung Galaxy A30s. Here you go. Here you can see the back. Right. Let's open it. Oh my god, it's freaking beautiful. Um, I'm opening it. Oh my god. Wrong side. Oh shit. As you can see, we've got the cable. It's USB Type C. Let me show you. It's pretty short, but it's beautiful. I like the color. They usually are black. This one's different. It's white. USB Type C. Can't believe my camera focused on it. There we go. We have the charger, the classic Samsung. This one's white too. Pretty beautiful, as always. Samsung is doing a great job. The earphone, well, this is pretty lame to be honest. Samsung, they make the best earphones from the big cell phone companies, but this one is just lame. This one is that old model you used to get like 8 years ago. To be honest, I was expecting the new models, but this one's okay. I mean, nothing but okay. Here you go. At least you can say I have the originals. and it has a microphone in case this one breaks, just like my older one did. Okay, I'm making a mess on my table. That's why you can't see it. And there it goes. Beautiful. Let's see it. Let's see it. Samsung Galaxy A30s. Infinite display. Triple camera, as you can see here. And biometric reader on the screen. That's pretty awesome. Oh, by the way, 64GB. Okay, let's remove this stuff. I have to turn it. No, no need. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It forms like axes in the back, but my computer camera isn't good enough to show it. You guys are gonna have to go to Google. Just Google it. So it's really beautiful. If I was filming with this camera, it was gonna be so much better, but how am I gonna do it? Anyways, there's a pedicure here. Oh, there it is. Anyways, oh my god, it's very thin, as you can see here. There's the SIM card slot. It's dual SIM, so I can use two at the same time. Here you got the buttons. Here the power button, the volume buttons. There you go. Oh, there is this little key. Yeah, I'm not even gonna remove it from the box. This little key you use to open the SIM slot. Alright. Oh my god, this is a very unprofessional unboxing. I don't care though. I'm unprofessional. Turning it on. Look at this. Oh my god. Super AMOLED screen. Oh, I missed that shit. I really did. I really did. It's awesome to have it back. Oh, and a curiosity. I bought the model Samsung Galaxy A30s, but I bought a case for it because I just don't want to destroy it like I did many times with the other cell phones. But I bought a cover for Samsung Galaxy A30 without the S. So it has a double camera instead of a triple camera, so it doesn't fit like perfectly. But I'm gonna use it anyways during the end of the quarantine, so when everything opens again, I'm gonna buy a proper one. So that's it. I'm gonna set it now. But let me try to show y'all its screen working. It's beautiful. Set it English. Alright, let's go. Oh, by the way, it has the so-called infinite display. I think it's pretty beautiful, but to be honest, I really miss that this button in the front of the cell phone. Samsung always had. It was like so beautiful and useful. I really liked it. And let me see it. Let me show you some info. By the way, the screen all clean. And now I'm gonna just set it and I see you guys in a few days, I guess. Because I won't take so long to upload again. So see you guys. Oh, by the way, if this video hits the incredible mark of 10 views, I'm gonna be doing a review. Alright? So see you around.